Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle not in today's newspaper of Wednesday. No, it's today Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022. In today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, the Tuesday's edition. October the 25th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The first puzzle I have already solved is the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The cipher block in Dutch, in English, tectonic, in Japanese, Suguru. And the other one is the letter Sudoku. No, the Sudoku with 2 stars. The Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 5388. 5388. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that every time, because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, a lot of nines. Let me start with the 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so third column, only 2 places left for the 9, should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, second row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Then 9, 9, 9, 9, okay. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then we have a 6 in the first row, the 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. Now. 8. Let me think. 6. How about the 4? 4 and the 1. Interesting. Yeah, let me think. 4, 6, 4, 8. 6, 4, 8. We have 8 in this row. The 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have 4 and a 6 in this last row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 4. Yeah. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, So no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the last column. So no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. Well, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 4. 4 and a 6, we overlooked the 6. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4, 4. Okay. 1, 1. Yeah. 7, 7. 5, 5. 5. Yeah, I'm thinking 4 in this row, 4 in the 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well. 1 and a 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 in this column. First column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. 6, 7, and 5. Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here, 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left in this big square. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row. Last row for number 1. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for the number 1 again. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So the column between the second column, the middle columns are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We see a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. Oh, we have a pair. 4 and a 7 in this row. 4 and a 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers now in this column, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 5. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing here. 1 box left in this column, last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8, 8, okay. 1 and a 7. 1, 7 and a 2. 2, 2. Well. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. 7 and 1. Think. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5, it should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this column, middle column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 1 and a 7. So 3. 2, yeah, we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Same numbers for these 2 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there, finishing in 50 minutes exactly. 50 minutes. Well, is this really 2 stars? Nah. Let me give this 2 stars, alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a minute, I will continue with the tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. Until then, bye-bye for now.